Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Ink, and today I'm going to be showing you the Bishop Wand Shader. The Wand is a popular cartridge-dedicated pen-style tattoo machine from Bishop Rotary that is available in 3 versions: liner, packer and shader, with the focus of our video being the shader model. So let's take a look. The Bishop Wand Shader is an all-in-one rotary tattoo machine that excels at all types of black and grey work and creating realistic grey tones, as well as being ideal for fine line tattoos. Each version of this pen style rotary comes with an aluminium grip, a black and grey premium RCA cord, and a Bishop zippered hard case that we can see here. Unlike the liner and packer variants which have a brushless motor within, the Wand Shader comes equipped with a 5-watt brushed Faulhaber motor with custom winding and built-in give to allow for a softer hit. Another big difference between the shader and the other Wand machines is the stroke length, with the shader having a fixed 3.5mm stroke. The tattoo pen is also compatible with Cheyenne type needle cartridges and offers adjustable needle depth up to 6mm. The Bishop Wand has an RCA connection here, so you can use the included cable or one of your own. Make sure to also check out the Bishop B-Charged battery pack, which integrates perfectly with your wand and allows you to cut the cord and power your machine wirelessly. The recommended working voltage for the Wand Shader is between 8 and 10 volts. Although this machine does not include adjustable give, if you lower the voltage, it will naturally lower the give. The lightweight pen style rotary is made from aircraft grade aluminium and has a smooth matte black finish for both the machine and grip, as well as a hand polished gunmetal grey band. The ergonomically designed grip is comfortable to hold and use during longer tattooing sessions and is fully autoclavable. With the grip attached, the Wand Shader measures in at 30 and 95mm in diameter and length respectively, while topping the scales at 113 grams. In terms of maintenance, you can use the silicone grease pack that comes with the machine and apply a teardrop sized amount every 6 to 8 weeks or roughly every 150 hours of use. However, you only really need to lubricate the wand if it starts to become noisy. Make sure to turn the machine on before you apply the grease and use a cotton bud to precisely put a drop of lube directly onto the drive bar. After 3 or 4 times lubricating the machine, you'll want to clean the inside of the chamber to ensure the grease doesn't get near the motor. To do so, unscrew the grip and back plate, then use a cotton bud to remove any excess silicone grease before screwing the parts back on. Made in the USA, the Bishop Wand Shader comes with a 1-year warranty on all parts and is available to order from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So now that you've seen it, what do you think? Is the shader the perfect Bishop Wand for you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.